So real quick before I leave, I wanna review the code for writing text on images. Not before I leave, but before I finish. So this, notice I'm importing image, image draw, image font, image filter. These are the main ones that we're going to use. We're not even going to use all of these, but we are going to use image, image font, and image draw here to write text. So I'm creating a new image. This creates a new blank image. I'm choosing the font using image font.truetype. So any font file that you want, you can download. You just put it in the same directory as your script and you refer to it just using the absolute file name. This is the size of the font that I want in pixels, by the way, not points. We're talking about pixel height here. And then I'm going to set a drawing context to write the image. So I'm using the image and I'm saying I'm going to draw on this image. So this drawing context now is where I use that to write the text. And you'll see it says multi-line text. You can also write on a single line text, but this allows you to set the upper left corner of the text box at 12 by 12, so 12 down and 12 in. And I'm using the new line character to write that. Font is referring to the font object, the font instance that I created here. And then I'm going to fill that text. So if I use this, got to make sure that that font file is in my main folder. There we go. Is it there? There it is. All right, so if I copy that and I run that code, okay, so there is that image or that font. Probably want to make that font just a little bit smaller. Okay, so you can create images on the fly programmatically. I showed you the SpongeBob code that I did the other day. That was using the same kind of method. So you can play around with that. You can reverse engineer that code and come up with something fun also there. And you can include that in your as one of your things that you want to do for this project.